Hi, hi. Today we are talking about the topic that one stock is giving in 3 years returns for her in 2700%. 2700% returns giving that stocks we are see in this video. That stock name is the Breadcom. The Breadcom stock share is the in 3 years before that share price is the 2.2 rupees 40 paisa. That share business is the media and service sector that business in that share Breadcom. The Breadcom share in 3 years before the share price is the 2 rupees 40 paisa. You are just purchasing the investing in then 2 lakh 40,000 rupees in 3 years before in that stock. That stock you are purchasing the 1 lakh shares in 2 rupees 40 paisa. It becomes investment for the 2 lakh 40,000 you invested in the 1 year 3 year before. Today that share price is the Breadcom share price is the 75 rupees. Multiply that 75 rupees into multiply for the 1 lakh shares, it becomes for the 75 lakh rupees. You are just invested in the invested that 2 lakh 40,000 2 lakh 40,000 and Breadcom shares. You are purchasing 1 lakh shares in 3 years before. Now its value is the 75 lakh. You are just invested in the 2 lakh 40,000. It becomes for then after 3 years for the 75 lakh rupees. Just your money is your 2 lakh 40,000 is your 2 lakh 40,000 rupees money is for the 30 times 30 times as 30 times returns giving for that your money is doubling for the 30 times for the in 3 years. So you have to just 2 lakh 40,000 rupees to you are making after 3 years for the of 75 lakh rupees 75 lakh rupees. So you also make rich in the you also want to make rich in future. You now invest in now invest money in the share market and learn share market and find good business and do research and analyze for things which that business should be in future is demand or not. The business product is the business product is services or anything else. The business is should be future in demand or not. The business what is the market calculation in future that business fund and do analyze for everything and do on the investment. You also invest in the money and make money in the share market. So many persons making so many percentage today. In India, so many persons is making rich in the share market. Warren Buffett also, he also, yeah, but here to make money in the share market. Patience is important because this is here is giving for the long term returns. Small proportion of investment to you make use money in the share market, but time value how much long time you are holding the stocks to was the stocks holding the stocks that time of money is giving in the share market. So that's why you also learn share market and find good business and search good business and invest money. You also make money more money. You also make rich in future. You also and in your retirement stage get more money in the share market and get financial freedom of life, lead financial freedom of life because there's so many here to employ here to go for job is not to make rich in life. So that's why invest in the share market and do business, start business. You also make rich your life. You went on job is not make rich. So that's why at least you are saving some amount to invest in the share market. You also make financial freedom of life in next 10 years 5 years next 5 years or 10 years 20 years. Make more money and get financial freedom of life. And you also learn save. So many persons are making money today also. Today's the world richest persons also invested in the money in the share market because they are also making use money in the share market. World's richest persons they also they also in 30% 20% 30% or 40% 50% of assets. So their assets also make their assets also in the share market. So you also make money in the share market and find good business and invest money and get financial freedom of life. And in front of the share market stocks are giving coming for in this channel. Do subscribe for this channel and thank you for watching.